time fell like raindrops on a glassy lake. I fell in time to the rhythm and rhyme. It danced on my shoulders, danced into my heart, then stepped into my darkness and blew fear apart. Rain came upon me, he washed me inside. He dried off my clothes, soothed my aches and my tides. He saw inside my engine, my mind at work. He saw how my brain kept things at work. He lowered his face. His lips, they kissed me. Then dipped in his tongue, and he said this to me. You are mine, sweet flower. I shan't let you go. I shan't let you wither, crumble or drow. I am the one whose all's at your back, the one whom loves you right back. His arms slid around me, his warmth he did find, and washed all around me my lemons, my limes. He poured out his honey, his golden red wine, then slipped in around me and drenched me in wine. I shivered in the wet. I shivered from the cold, but he didn't stop loving. Oh, he was very, very bold. He lifted up my hair and tied it in place, then slipped out the knots in my shoulder blades. He stood even closer, and his rain washed me down, 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 down on the ground. My petals they folded, tucked under my head. He lifted my cheek, and this is what he said. You are mine, you're divine. I shall watch you each day, for you are the one that makes my heart pray. You are my gold, and you are my silver. You are the one who makes my heart quiver. I'll drop into potions, drop over the oceans. I fill up large lakes, to the clouds I evaporate. Yet with you, 'tis all that I want. With you is all that I need. With you is all that makes my heart want and bleed. He kissed along my neck. He drank all my nectar, then pruned back dead leaves, my rot and disease. He tended my roots, he tended my foliage, then sat beside me and tended my heart ridge. Flower, my time is almost up. Soon I must return. I will shrivel up. So he tended to my garden just one more time, then looked to the sky, and the sun, it did shine. No, please, rain, don't go. I miss you already. Please, please don't go, don't leave, don't surrender to light's heave. But it was too late. The steam curled right out of him. My love, my tender, the sun made him surrender. I watched as he melted, watched as he flew, Watch as the clouds, they grew and they grew. The nasty old wind, she blew him away. Didn't wait for goodbyes. Didn't let him a moment to stay. It's been 12 long winters, 12 summers, 12 springs. Yet he hasn't found me, my lover of things. I still cast about, my eyes still shimmer. I'm looking for you, my rain, my river. Time folded past, trees came and went, rivers dried, birds died, yet still on and on I went. Then 12 long years later, I turned up my face. Rain. 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 He spilled down my neck. He filled my every corner. He drenched my roots with all of his water. Rain, I cried. My petals fell out. And he held me, as I did shout. He held me softly. I am here, flower. He did not forget me. Of course not. Of course. Rain, I've loved you forever. Rain cried tears of joy. He cried tears of pain. I've been looking for you, flower. I've rained and I've rained. Every moment, every hour, I've been looking for you, love. Looking, hoping, searching from above. I now have a plan, love. A plan to keep us together. I shall cover us in glass, so I never go apart. And when the sun calls me back, I'll be trapped in the dome. And when I rain, love, I'll be here. I'll be home. Flower jumped for joy, though her roots were so brittle. She didn't stop jumping, though her scrub was so little. Rain scooped her up and covered her in honey. I'll never let you go, flower. I love you more than Sunny. They lived in the silence. They lived under glass. They settled down while life did them pass. They were happy, so happy. They were wild and yet trapped, but they loved it every minute. The dome gave their love limits, a place to return, a place to stay tethered, a flower and a force, rain and petals, flower and rain, together, together, together again. flower and rain together again.